Hello, my dear learned. Today we are giving to Lear 50 daily English sentences to boost your communication skills. Without wasting time, let's start our first one. 1. Can I join you? 2. Let's go for a walk. 3. What time should we meet? 4. That sounds like a plan. 5. I really appreciate it. 6. What do you think about it? 7. I'm not feeling well today. 8. Let's reschedule. 9. Could you send me the details? 10. I'll get back to you soon. 11. I forgot to mention. 12. That's a great idea. 13. I'm just looking, thanks. 14. It doesn't make sense. 15. I totally agree with you. 16. I disagree. Here's why. 17. Let's keep in touch. 18. Do you need anything? 19. I'll handle it. 20. That's not a problem. 21. I've been busy lately. 22. You look familiar. 23. How long have you been here? 24. Let me think about it. 25. Let me know if you need anything. 26. Can you explain that again? 27. I'm learning English. 28. That's interesting. 29. Don't worry about it. 30. It's getting late. 31. I've heard a lot about you. 32. Let's take a break. 33. How do you spell that? 34. What's the meaning of this word? 35. That's very kind of you. 36. I didn't catch your name. 37. Let me introduce myself. 38. I'll think about it. 39. That's not what I meant. 40. It's my pleasure. 41. How was your weekend? 42. Let's start over. 43. I'm just passing time. 44. I'm in a hurry. 45. I need some fresh air. 46. That's quite helpful. 47. You did a great job. 48. Sorry for the confusion. 49. Let's meet tomorrow. 50. I hope you have a good day. Here we come to the end of this lesson. And don't forget to comment and share. Love and peace to all.